No engines. No voices. No wind.
Sound disappears everywhere at once. Human voices are gone.
Machines continue to move, but make no sound.
Even the loudest machines fall silent.
Travel becomes deeply unsettling. The ocean still moves, but cannot be heard.
Sound vanishes even beneath the sea.
Nature loses its voice.
Survival instincts begin to fail.
Hospitals become dangerously quiet.
Critical warnings are no longer heard.
Emergency response slows dramatically. Emergency response slows dramatically.
Humans struggle to adapt.
Radio!
Psychological stress begins to grow.
Civilization feels hollow. Sound is more than noise. It is information.
Silence itself becomes overwhelming.
Global security systems weaken.
The planet enters a sensory blackout.
After 24 hours, sound begins to return.
The world exhales.
Humanity regains its voice.
Nature speaks again.
Silence taught us something important.
Sound is not just noise. It is how the world communicates.